Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Roblox and signing in. This gets you into the settings we'll change. Once done, check the app version so theme options behave predictably, and if you plan to use a browser extension, prepare it now. Make sure you have a secondary tab for testing changes, because you'll toggle things and reload pages. Don't waste time on basic setup, jump directly into the account menu and settings area where themes and accessibility controls live. Now you'll locate appearance or theme in settings and enable dark mode if Roblox offers it. This is the cleanest method because it preserves contrast and UI layout. If the option isn't present on the website, install a reputable dark theme extension or use the browser's developer tools to apply a dark CSS snippet, because that forces colors without changing account settings. After switching, tweak contrast and HUD elements so text remains readable. These small adjustments prevent eye strain and improve visibility. To finish, reload Roblox pages and enter a game to confirm the dark appearance is consistent across menus, chat, and game UIs. This ensures you didn't miss embedded light assets. If something looks off, clear your browser cache or disable other extensions because conflicts often cause mixed themes. Make sure to back up any custom CSS. If rendering breaks, revert to defaults and reapply a different snippet. One troubleshooting tip: disable extensions one at a time to find the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.